Hi, I'm here to answer this question about how to form a complete sentence with these three phrases, words we have, las plumas, encima, los escritorios. So we want to make a complete sentence that says the location about these objects. So we're talking about las plumas, which is your subject, the pens. Then we have encima, means on top, which is a preposition, and los escritorios, the desks, which would be the object, the location where the pens are. So first, what you want to look at is what are we missing for this to be a complete sentence? Because we want to say the pens are on top of the desks. So what we're missing is our verb are, to say the pens are. We don't have that at all in those first three pieces to the puzzle here. And we're also missing part of our prepositional phrase to say on top of. We have on top, encima, but we don't have of. So what we want first to choose for the verb are, you want to choose between ser and estar, your two verbs in Spanish that mean to be. Ser we use more for really identifying or characterizing a person or a thing or a place or an animal, but those are more like physical traits or personality traits, things that don't really tend to change. Estar is what we use when we talk about states of being or location or emotions, things that tend to change. So here we definitely want to use estar. So put that on there for you, estar. And then we need the second part of our prepositional phrase, the on top of. We have encima, but we need to say on top of. So you need encima de. Then we need to conjugate our estar. So let's get our sentence started here so we can see what we have so far. I'll change the color as well. So we want to say las plumas. And now we need to say are. Las plumas is third person plural. And the personal pronoun that you could use to substitute las plumas would be ellas, feminine third person plural. So in order to conjugate estar, the ellas, ellos, ustedes form of estar is están. So we want las plumas están, our accent mark, las plumas están encima de los escritorios. So the only parts that we were originally missing, which I'll underline here, were están and de. In those prepositional phrases on top of, underneath, above, most of them are going to be followed by de. Encima de, debajo de, underneath, arriba de, above, encima de is on top of. So our ultimate answer here is las plumas están encima de los escritorios. The pens are on top of the desks. Hope that helps.